Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch to read-only view in Canva. This is a simple trick that helps you look over a design without accidentally moving, resizing, or editing anything. It's especially useful for Shopify store owners who may be working on product images, website layouts, or marketing materials, and want to ensure everything looks perfect before sharing or finalizing. It's perfect for reviewing a layout, presenting a draft, or sharing your screen with someone while keeping every element safely in place. Start by opening the Canva project you want to review. Once the design loads, focus on the top left area of the Canva editor. You'll see a label that says Editing with a small downward arrow next to it. That label tells you the current mode, and right now it means you're in editing mode, where changes can be made to the design canvas. This is the mode you'll typically work in when creating or adjusting your designs. Click the word Editing or the little arrow beside it to open a small menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Viewing. Go ahead and click Viewing. As soon as you select it, Canva switches your project into a read-only view. You'll know it worked because the label at the top will change from Editing to Viewing, and the editing handles and bounding boxes around elements will no longer appear when you move your mouse across the canvas. This ensures you won't make any unintended edits while reviewing or presenting your work. From here, you can scroll through pages, zoom in and out, and look at every detail without the risk of nudging a photo, shifting text, or accidentally deleting something. Clicking on objects won't activate them for editing, so you can confidently navigate the design, show it to others, or check spacing and alignment without making unwanted changes. This is a huge time saver if you're working with multiple people or clients and don't want any accidental changes to your design while you're just reviewing it. This mode is especially useful if you're double-checking a layout before exporting, comparing versions, or walking a client or teammate through the design. It lets you concentrate on what you're seeing, rather than worrying about what you might change. For example, if you're preparing promotional materials for a Shopify product launch, viewing mode helps you assess the final look of your product images or ad copy without risk of any accidental alterations. If you're reviewing a multi-page document, you can still use the page thumbnails on the side to move around. This is particularly helpful if you're designing an ebook, a catalog, or any other document with multiple pages. The thumbnails allow you to quickly navigate and check each page without disrupting the overall layout. If your project is a presentation, you can use viewing mode to preview the slide's flow without altering the slide content. This is great if you're working on a pitch deck for your Shopify store or preparing a presentation for a new product launch. You can ensure the transitions, animations, and overall design flow are just right before finalizing it. If you find yourself testing links, reading copy, or evaluating colors and spacing, viewing mode keeps everything stable, so your design stays exactly as intended while you look it over. This is incredibly useful when you're fine-tuning the details, like making sure your CTA buttons are properly aligned, or testing hyperlinks in a marketing design. And if you do click around, don't worry. Nothing will shift or break because you're safely in read-only mode. It's a great way to ensure you can test and review without any risk, keeping everything exactly as it should be. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the editing label at the top left, choose Viewing, and enjoy a clean, worry-free way to review your work. Whether you're a Shopify store owner reviewing a product catalog or a designer going over a marketing piece, this simple trick can save you a lot of time and stress.